Hey, it's Cassandra with Prince George Ford, and we're here at the Pre-Owned Super Center, and today we're having a look at this 2017 Ford Explorer in the XLT trim. This beautiful dark magnetic color, so eye-catching, so classic. Looking really sharp with that little bit of silver accents there just below the doors, on the door panels and your roof rails. Really great looking car, and not just good looking but super functional too. So this has got 3 rows of seating. You can carry 7 passengers. The XLT trim comes with a bunch of great options, and this unit also qualifies for our Ford Certified Pre-Owned program. Too many awesome things that includes for me to go on about the video. So give us a call, talk to one of our product specialists. They can give you the rundown on that great incentive. So coming up to the car, you've got your digital keypad here. You can use this to lock and unlock your vehicle. It also has a sensor in your door handles, so if you have the keys in your pocket, you grab the door handle, the vehicle's automatically going to unlock for you. Super handy, especially if you're going to be using this as a family unit. One less thing you need to worry about. Power locks, power mirrors, and power windows here. Some great door storage. You do have 6-way adjustable power seats in here, and you've got this beautiful charcoal black cloth interior. So it's going to be easy to care for, not going to show stains. So you've got 3-person bench seating up front, but I've just got your seats folded down here for you so you can see. And then in the back, I've got your different variations set up too. So you can have both seats set up, carry 7 passengers, but those do stow away really simply, giving you a huge cargo area in the back, which we'll have a look at here. So you've got adequate storage back here with your seats up, but if you do need to carry something bigger, the seats flip down really easy by ways of these straps here. And then you've got a huge cargo area. Another great function on here is your automatic door. So you press your button and your cargo door is going to close for you. So having a look at our dash here, bottom left-hand corner, you can see this unit is sitting at 63,924 kilometers. Beautiful display up here, and then you can run through with these buttons on your steering wheel here, and it's going to show you all sorts of different information on your screens here. So right now you've got your intelligent 4-wheel drive. You do have 4 different drive modes in the Explorer. So I mean, it's not just for running around town. It's a great weekend warrior as well. Whether you're mountain biking, snowboarding, whatever, this is going to get you to the places you want to go. So that's all controlled with those keys there. Cruise controls just to the under that. And then your infotainment and Bluetooth controls are on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. Over to the left of the steering wheel, you have the adjustment for your headlights, as well as your dash. And then under that, you have a tow button, because this does have a fairly impressive tow package on it, and you have a button for your cargo door as well. Over to your infotainment system, you can see that this is a push button start unit, and you do have the really large infotainment screen here. You can control everything basically from your screen. It's all touch screen, so that's really simple and nice. It does have the sync voice activation as well. You've got dual climate control in here in your HVAC system down here, and you do have heated seats for both your driver and passenger with 3 different settings. Really nice simple layout. Some storage under here, which is also going to be where your USB and 12-volt power source is. Cup holders here by your gear shifter, and then a nice big center console as well. So guys, if you're in the market for the ultimate family adventure vehicle, I'd say you need to get down here and have a look at this one. Give us a call, 250-563-8111, or pop by and visit us, and let's see what we can get you into today. Thanks for watching.